Looking for some innovative tools that make your plumbing a breeze? Well, there are a couple of tools that will blow your mind and improve your projects. So now say hello to some plumbing tools innovations that work extremely well. This Milwaukee Propex tool is a must for professional plumbers. This tool is the fastest, lightest, and most compact way to install 2-inch Propex. You'll be able to make up to 3 times faster expansions with the powerful brushless motor. The rotating heads of this tool really help the pros to work in tight spaces. It can compete with multiple work heads to prevent carrying any second or third tools around the job site. You can go through extreme expanding conditions with the best-in-class battery of this tool. It has an ergonomic and D-handle design to provide the perfect balance and control for one-handed connections and makes tasks easier. You love to do your plumbing on your own, right? This Joe Drain Clean CT will clear out all drain clogs and keep the water flowing fine. The portable automatic drain drill unblocks the clogged drains faster than manual augers and saves your pennies from a plumber's visit. You can adjust the speed to a maximum of 560 RPM to deal with all kinds of drains. And the 25-foot flexible steel cable easily extends, rotates, and retracts to go down the drain pipe and come back after cleaning. It weighs less than 8 pounds to offer ultimate portability and fatigueless operation. You'll get added visibility with the built-in LED and save yourself from the extra effort. Next is the Narad NT4023, a compact tube cutter that slices through copper and stainless tubes with minimal effort. The internal cutting mechanism of this tool rotates its body independently to take low labor to operate. You can efficiently cut tubes between 6 and 23 millimeters. It has an ergonomic handle that is designed for one-handed operation and is ideal for working in tight spaces. This adjustable ratchet tube cutter will solve all the reaching issues you have by operating through the narrow walls in confined spaces. You can store this mini-sized tube cutter in your tool bag or box without losing much space and be ready for instant action. Now it's time to bring more comfortable and easement to your plumbing activities. This Dewalt DCE700 pipe threader can thread between 1/2-inch and 2-inch black iron pipe, rigid conduit, and more. The oil-resistant battery, housed in a sealed box, protects it from cutting oils used to complete threadings. It offers substantial runtime in demanding applications without the hassles of power cords. You can quickly set up the tool with the included patent-pending pipe clamp and a depth gauge. This tool senses the motion and automatically shuts down to save you from bind-up situations. It is also compatible with the rigid 12R style die heads to get many jobs done. No more laborious pipe pressing from today. This Milwaukee Force Logic press tool comes in handy with remote tracking, management, and lockout system. This is the smallest and most intelligent press tool in the market, and the One Key technology provides the highest level of press accuracy and reliability in the category. Plumbers and mechanical contractors can make comprehensive pressing with a 4-inch cutting capacity. This tool is compatible with 20 of the most popular fitting systems to stay aside from you in individual situations. You will get unrivaled access and fit in every spot with the lightest inline design of this press tool and go through all plumbing needs. So that was the list of the plumbing tools innovations that work extremely well.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.